Hi Dry Suit Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Blanky Blankz from Poppy Playtime. So let's get started. To draw this very cool toy, let's first start by drawing two big circles for the eyes. So I'm going to start right here, and we're just going to go ahead and draw a very big circle for these kind of like button eyes. There. And then I'm going to come across, say about this wide, and draw another circle. There. So my two big circles, and let's come in here for some details. So I'm basically going to just give this circle a little edge. So I'm going to draw another circle all the way around. So I'll just follow the circle that I drew. It's not as easy as it sounds, huh? Following the outside line. So same thing right here. So definitely turn your paper or your body if you need to make this easier. So I'm drawing kind of straight, so it's a little bit harder for me, but there. Okay, so now we have that. We need to draw a big X in the center. So I'm just going to kind of find my center. It's just a little bit easier. I'm going to come about here and here. I'll just give myself these 2 points. And so from there, I'm going to draw my X. So here, start there. Let's see if this makes it a little bit easier for me to kind of put my X in the center. And then there's going to be 2 here and here. So I'm going to round this part off, come down, and same thing here. It's because I'm drawing kind of big. I'm trying to give myself these points so that I can draw a little bit more accurate. But if you're drawing small, just go for it. It doesn't matter. So it's about here, same thing. Just want to make sure my X is in the center. So we can just go like this too. Maybe this is just easier. And here. Here. Okay, so this one needs to come out a little bit more. There. Okay, so now I have my 2 X's in. Then we need to draw this big circular ovalish head. So, you know what? Let's come to the bottom of our circle, and I'm going to come out, and let's say about right here. I'll just give myself a point, and I'm going to drag that across and do the same thing on the other side. So just right next to my 2 circles, I'm going to put these 2 points. And from there, I'm just going to use that as my guide to draw a curve all the way around. If my Sharpie would work on the side. So let's keep going. And we're going to go all the way up. And we want to come right back down to here. There, my sketchy, messy line, but I will go in there and fix it. Just makes it a little bit easier for me to figure out this big curve since I'm drawing pretty big. Okay, so now that I have that, let's come and draw the bottom. So we're just still aiming to draw this circle oval. So let's keep going down. And about right here, let's bring it in. About there. There. Okay. Nice and big, right? Maybe I should have drawn smaller. It wouldn't be as hard. Okay, so then now that we have that, we need to draw the mouth. So it's like this big zipper, right? So I'm going to say about right here, kind of like the level of that eye. I'm going to go ahead and just put another point at the other side, about right here. So that just helps me to see where my curve is going, since, like I said, I'm just drawing pretty big, and it just helps to give me a guide as to where to go on the other side. So now let's aim to go up. There. Okay, the hardest curve is done. Now we just need to follow it. So I'm going to thicken this up. So this is where the zipper is. And then top and bottom, I'm just going to go ahead and, let's see, I need to turn a little bit. I'm going to just draw a bunch of dashes all the way across. So I'm just following my curve. I want to make it look like a stitch. And same thing at the top. There. Okay, and then for the zipper part, if you're not comfortable doing this, you can just draw a line and then just make it look almost kind of like teeth. But if you're up for the challenge, just come into the center right here. And we're just going to go up and down. So let's start right here. And I'm just going to go up, down. But this curve right here is all the same going across. So just keep that in mind. So this curve as we come is going to be the center. We just want to keep this curve, keep going. So we're just going up and down to create the teeth of our zipper. There. Okay, so hopefully that wasn't too difficult and I was able to help you. And then right about here where the zipper is, we're going to draw this kind of like a circle right here. And then let's see here. Another one inside. Right there. So it's thicker on this side. And then right here we need to put an M. So I'm going to come right about here. And draw these two angle lines to create my M. So my center is right there. And same thing here. There, and then we can come right here and thicken it up. Same thing there. Okay, so finally done with the head. Let's draw the body. So the body is so much simpler, thank goodness. So let's say we want to center our body, right? So let's say about right here. And right about here. So I'm going to draw two angle lines coming down. About right there. And then we're going to come right about here and we're going to draw this kind of circle for the feet on both sides. I'm going to just draw this big circle. And same thing on this side. There. Okay, and then in between, just put in a little curve right here. And then for some details, just come right here and just draw a curve. And same thing here. To give the feet a little depth. And then for the arms, they're very long, so we're going to come right about here. And just kind of wobble a little bit. Wobble. And then about right here, we're going to draw a thumb. And then these long fingers. About there. So same thing on the other side. So same thing, draw a thumb and this long finger. There. Okay, finally done. And that is pretty much it for this drawing of Blanky Blankz from Poppy Playtime. I really hope I helped you draw this fun and easy, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.